Hey Reefers, welcome back. Today we're going to take you through our fragging room and our coral farm. Behind me is our coral system here that we use to grow out corals. We cultivate corals here for the shop. We grow out some of the easier foster growing corals just to keep some supply coming into the store. At the moment nothing much is happening here. I do have some live rock though with some bubble algae, and that's going to be a video we're going to be releasing soon, manually removing bubble algae from a system, so keep an eye out for that one. Yeah, so let's take you through. So this is the system here. This is about 1,000 liters, just under 1,000 liter system, and we use it for when we frag corals for them to recover, as well as a place where if there's corals that aren't doing well, we can bring them down here and give them a little bit of extra TLC. And then yeah, so when they're all good in that, they'll go back up to the shop. So without further ado, let's have a look at the cutting room. So there's the farm. And then inside this room over here is our cutting room. Okay, excuse if the audio is a little funny. This room is tiled floor to ceiling, so it is a bit echoey. Here's a nice size sink. This is where we would clean out the Griffin bandsaw after doing some fragging and cleaning off all the equipment. This is the coral bandsaw that we use. It's a nice little work table over here. We will be fragging some coral later on today, and we'll take you through that. Just give you a quick video on how we frag multiple pieces of coral. This is our inverter. Like I said, this saw here is a 110 volt version, and we in SA are 220 volts. And if you have heard on the tutorials that humming sound, that's created by this step down transformer. Yeah, so the saw is taken apart. The blade is packed away inside the saw and the sponges, so it's not in use at the moment. But like I said, we will be setting it up shortly to do some fragging, and we'll take you through that quickly. It'll just be a quick video. It'll just be a quick video on a day in a life in the frag farm. Yeah, so that there is our little dedicated fragging station where we do a majority of our fragging for reef maniacs. See you in the next video. Happy reefing.